How's it going, everyone? Hope you're all well. So, I've had a few questions lately over the last month or so, and even before that, I pretty much get this question every month really, on how do I get my mats, my original mats, looking this clean, looking like brand new again. Now they're not dyed or nothing like that, because obviously if you dyed them, all the red and that would come out and that would go black, which is no good to us. Got a front one here as well. So what I've decided to do today is I'm halfway through a project car I'm doing at the moment, and I've got the driver's one over there, and that's filthy. So what I'm going to do is take you over, go through the process of what I do to get them to that stage, and then you can do your own cars. So hopefully that's going to help you out, save you on keep buying new mats every time. I know you can get mats cheap for like, you know, sort of £12–15, but genuine mats always look better in the car. And if you've got a car that's got like the fixture holes like these ones, the ones that you buy cheapies don't have them holes and just not the same quality and don't look as nice. So I always try and keep the original mats in if I can, and with the overall look of the whole car, that makes it look really nice. So let's go over there, we'll play with some tools and a product, and I'll show you how we do it. So let's go. This is the mat we're dealing with today, and as you can see, it's absolutely filthy. You have to excuse all the mess in the background, but I've just had a really good tidy up, and I've just unsheeted the car, I've resprayed and all that sort of stuff. So to start with, first tool, just the end of the hoover. This little Henry I've got down there, but you can use any hoover you like as long as you can get the main bits off, and just give it a normal hoover. Nothing crazy, just quick hoover, get all the loose bits. I'm going to do it in real time so you can see I'm not jumping and putting black dyes on and all that sort of stuff. There you go. That's enough for the first stage. We then get some of this, which is a spray-on upholstery cleaner. This one's a Simmons one. Give it a really good soaking. You get any off the edges, just pick it up and put it on. Scrub that in. Any bits you haven't got any on, to keep it on and keep it wet. Make sure you don't miss any bits. Right, that's that step taken care of. put that to the side. Now on this next bit, I'm going to use a compressor. So I've got an airline here, and I've got this tool here, which is called a tornador. Plug it in like so. Put the end of the hoover there, like so. What that does, that spins in here, pulls up all the pile, sucks everything into the hoover. I'll show you the box. You want to see it? This is the one we're using today. I've got a few of their tools and they're actually really good tools. I had to import it from the USA, but definitely worth doing. Quite expensive, but worth doing if you want to look after your car and make it look really good. So next thing we'll do is we'll go over it with this. As you can see, this one's actually quite a really dirty mat. If you've done this every month, that'll actually stay quite clean. I'm going to quickly whiz over it. I'll fast forward the next bit so you can see us all in real time still. And then we'll get on to the next tool. Okay, so that's the end of that tool. I'll then move on to one of these, just a standard end of it hoover tool. You obviously need the pipe to connect it. It slides in there like so. See how quick that stage is. Next one is this little round fluffy one. Any little bits you can see falling on and coming out of the air, a lot of it. You just pick them off and move them. Now this one you sort of go around in circles and just like fluffing it back up. There you go, looking pretty lovely. So as you can see, it's looking absolutely mint. I'll take it around and give you a proper look. And there you go, nice close up. Very nice. So I'll take you around and show you what it looks like in the car. And there we go. Looks like we've got a nice brand new mat. Now, I know the lighting's chucking on shadows and stuff, but it does look 100%, and it's going to look really nice. This is what it looks like with a light on it close up. I could see it was putting shadows on it, so I wanted to just show you it's 100% clean. It's absolutely lovely. Very nice. So there you go. That's what a mat looks like with what, 15 minutes work? So not too bad at all, really. If you get one that's really stubborn, like, I don't know, say like being in a builder's van or something like that, then where I sprayed the foam on and done the scrub, do a wet back stay in between that and wet back that all up with some like quite hot water, something like that. Give it a little scrub in and wet back it in between. But when they're just normal mats like so, and they've just got normal dirt and grime on off your shoes, not like cement and plaster and all that sort of stuff, then that normally works. And as you saw, looks like a brand new mat. So pretty good. And if I'd had to go to a main dealer and buy a set of them from Vauxhall, you know, you're looking at £90 to £120, depending on, you know, which ones you get. luxury, or just the standard that comes with the car, depending on the model and stuff. They're all different. So hopefully that saves you some money and you can do your own. The machine I used, the Tornador, that is expensive, and I can understand that you might not want to buy that if you're just, you know, looking after the one car. But if you're someone that do cars all the time, whatever, then that's ideal. Or if you don't mind spending a bit of money to look after your car, then that's worth having as well. So it saves you a lot of time just doing normal hoover, and that gets out stuff that you just never get out. Gets deep in the piles and really turns everything round and sucks it all into the hoover for you. So that really helps. So hope you enjoyed that one. Like I said, hopefully that will make your cars look really good, whether you're a dealer or whether you're just a enthusiast that likes looking after your car. Hopefully I'll help you both out, and I'll see you soon in the next video. There's plenty more on the channel of how to this, that and the other. To do wheels, to do bodywork, to do change suspension, to change brakes, you name it. They're all going on the channel on a monthly basis, so there's plenty on there for you to watch. There's a big backlog of over 300 videos, and probably will be 600 videos by the end of this year, so I'll keep them coming, and hopefully I'll keep helping people out. If there is a certain thing that helps you out on, and you want to sort of pass something my way, you want to buy me a coffee or something like that, pop on the channel. There's a little link for the old PayPal, or if you want to sort of support the channel and carry on, then why not join up as a member and support me like that? Or you can just do that for a month, or you can just do that as long as you like. If you want to just sort of give back a little bit, because I do put a lot of time and effort into doing these, and obviously it takes me away from doing my normal work. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.